All right, so shout out to Izela Bomma for sending in her name for today's Igbo name of the day. That's right, give it up for her. All right, cool. So, Izela Bomma, this is an interesting one. I like how you said you'd be interested in hearing my interpretation or my take on the translation, right? So I'm gonna give it a shot, and you let me know in the comment section down below if I got it right. All right. So ezele. So ize means to avoid, right? And if you say ezele, it means don't avoid, right? That's if you're thinking it that way, like you're thinking of the interpretation with it. If you're thinking of the interpretation that way. You could also say Eze means like master or king or something like that. But I think it's the expression ezele, ezela, like do not avoid. So I'm putting those two together. I'm not thinking of Eze by itself meaning king. I'm thinking of the entire thing. Ezele meaning like do not avoid. And La Bomba means like beautiful, like a beautiful girl or something beautiful, something magnificent, lovely, nice looking. All right, so my dad's from Anambra and my mom is from Imo, right? So I speak a little bit of both dialects, but I know that my parents, sometimes there's like certain words, like certain colloquialisms and slang and things like that they know that other people in, the other part, either Anambra or Imo don't know. Like there's things that my mom know, like Imo colloquialisms that my dad doesn't know and vice versa. There's things that my dad will say that my mom doesn't understand. I know a little bit of both, but I believe La Bomba, just means like beautiful. And I think that's more, I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment section down below. But I think La Bomba is like emo slang, like an emo colloquialism. I don't think everyone really, it's not a common way of expressing like the word beauty, right? But when you put those together, Eze La Bomba means basically don't avoid a beautiful girl. Like, it wouldn't be wise to avoid something good. It wouldn't be wise to avoid a beautiful girl, a girl with like hereditary good looks. Basically like that. Eze La Bomba, hereditary good looks. She gets her looks from her mom. Don't avoid something beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like an ilu. It's kind of like a saying, or what's the word for it? A proverb. You know what I'm saying? Eze La Bomba. All right, thanks a lot for sending that one in. That was an interesting one. That was a rare name. I think one of the first times I've heard that name. But let me know what you guys think. I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say in the comment section down below. Eze La Bomba's names give them the power to be bubbly, have very high self-esteem, and have a lot of friends. Tag and share this video with all the Eze La Bombas that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wakwezo.
Yeah.
All right, so let me know what you think. Eze La Bomba, would you like a name like that for yourself? Or are you expecting a newborn and you would like to give them a traditional African Igbo name? If you have a concept for a name in mind, please let me know. My Instagram is linked in the comment section down below. You can send me a DM as well too and let me know the traits and things like that you would like to manifest into your child's life. And just any type of success or any type of, just things that you would like your child to be able to do, right? If you would like an Igbo name yourself, I'm gonna ask you a few questions and you tell me some personality traits based off of those questions, and I'll give you a good matching Igbo name, all right? So I'll give you the Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day playlist on that series, so check that out. It's also on this YouTube channel. And if you are Igbo, I'll give you an Igbo name, or I will feature your Igbo name on this series, which is the Igbo Name of the Day. So if you would like an Igbo name, I'll give you an Igbo name on the other playlist that I have, the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And then, you'll basically see the video that I make for your name. So in our culture, we believe that whenever someone calls your name, you're invoking the spirit of that name. You're invoking the power and just all the goodness and the traits whenever someone says that name, right? A lot of our names are spiritual as well too. So it's like we're calling God's power into your life whenever your name is said. So that's kind of a way that we stay moving forward, progress-wise, as a people And I would like to share that with other people in the diaspora so we can continue to achieve and maintain Black excellence. So if you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead. All of your engagement, your likes and your comments go a really long way. I appreciate them all. And they also help the YouTube channel know what type of videos to recommend to other people. So there could be people out there just like you who are interested in this type of content. Every time you like and comment and subscribe and things like that, the YouTube algorithm knows that other people who are just like you, who have interests like you, might want to watch this video too. So if you could help me out and help the YouTube algorithm out, I'd appreciate that a lot. So please subscribe to this channel, hit that bell button so you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. Again, it could be the video that I make for you if you would like an Igbo name for either you or your child. Or if you are Igbo, it could be the notification for when I drop the video to feature your Igbo name, right? So I hope the power and the essence behind your name is invoked and manifests into your life whenever somebody says your name. I appreciate everyone supported this YouTube channel that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.